When our government suddenly decides to stop recognizing something they've been talking about and recognizing for 37 years, that isn't random. Silence is a signal. So here's what happened. Internal emails from our State Department are telling their staff not to post about World AIDS Day, which is today. Not to make statements about it, not to give any speeches, and not to use any government funds to talk about it. Just don't recognize it, is what they have said. When we've been recognizing it for 37 years. So why are they silencing something that's so important? Especially PEPFAR and the work done through USAID. They've saved millions of lives. They've kept parents alive, children alive, and helped build strong health systems all over the world. And supporting global health doesn't just protect other countries, it protects America. Because when treatment breaks down abroad, infections rise, drug-resistant strains grow, and those strains will eventually reach America. So this organization, PEPFAR, they also help build labs, train doctors, and support emergency response teams. They're the same systems that helped detect Ebola, Zika, and COVID. So weakening that support means that future outbreaks spread faster and cost America more money in the long run. Pulling back also hurts our national security by increasing instability in places that the U.S. has strategic interest. And when we do step back, countries like China and Russia step in, and they gain influence on that country. And then, of course, it also harms American churches and nonprofits that rely on PEPFAR to run clinics and support families. And it damages our reputation as a country that values compassion and human dignity. So without PEPFAR's early warning systems, future pandemics become more likely and more dangerous. And for the Christians in our country, this is important. Jesus moved toward the sick and the forgotten, not away from them. And honoring World AIDS Day has always been a way for our nation to say to these people, your lives matter. So now that our government has chosen for the first time in 37 years to stay silent on this issue and not to financially fund them like they have before, it sends a clear message that helping the vulnerable is no longer a priority to us. And that is heartbreaking to hear from an administration that claimed to stand on moral and faith-based values.